If you're looking for a really easy midweek meal that's good for you with a touch of luxury in some duck, I have got the salad for you. I'm going to use these à l'orange duck legs, which are already cooked, so super easy to use, and they're going to go in the microwave for 3.5 minutes and they'll be ready to go. Whilst the duck's in the microwave, I'm just going to toast off some almonds in a pan, and I'm also going to put together a really easy dressing, just with some red wine vinegar, some Dijon mustard, and some extra virgin olive oil. And that's our dressing, easy peasy. And let's whisk that together till it's nicely combined. The duck's going to be done soon, so I'm going to let it rest for a minute, shred it, and then we can put this salad together. That duck is shredded, and how easy was that in the microwave? I've also put that leftover sauce that was in there through the dressing. It just gives it a real flavour punch. So now to put the salad together, everything just goes into this big bowl. All the greens, snow peas, rocket, some red onions for that crunch, and then some feta's going to get crumbled through. And then we're going to put our beautiful dressing in. Wonderful. And this beautiful duck's going to go in as well. Look at this. Doesn't this just make it so much easier to do at home during a busy week? So I'm just going to toss this through so all the ingredients are nicely combined. The feta's gone through all the beautiful greens. And this is ready to go into the bowl. Oh, look at that. All those flavours just complement so beautifully. Imagine having this midweek, busy day at work, and you're coming home to this beautiful duck salad. And for a little bit of extra crunch on top, we put our roasted almonds. And there you have it, a really nutritious, easy, but slightly fancy midweek meal.